Hey guys, this is John again from Character Red. So today I debuted a half flag a couple weeks ago, and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how um, I do a little hand dremeling or chiseling of the stars. So what I'm doing right now is I actually lay down a stencil like I would for a normal full flag, but I'm only going to do a 25 star outline. So I started out with taking my long nose marker from Fastcap. Um, it's really a great tool. I use it mostly for like Kaizen foam, but for this instance, I'm gonna go around the outline of all the stars, and then I'm going to actually fill in all the stars so I know that um, everything is going to get done when I'm using the Dremel or the chisel. So this is kind of a lengthy process, very um, more lengthy than running a CNC machine and programming it in the computer. But some people choose this option as a way to get a more like Americana feel on their custom flags. Um, so I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit, fast forward it through to the next step, and then we'll walk you through the next portion of the process. Alright guys, so I'm coming to the end of this step, and I've got it to where I think that um, it'll be a good reference point for when I'm running the Dremel. So then I transition over to the next step, and that is going to be do the outlines of every single star. So again, that's 25 stars, very repetitive, so you'll notice I take a couple of breaks during the outlines, and then I'm also going to take a few breaks. I do got a chisel clip on one of the stars that I chiseled out in the top right corner, and that's just another way that other woodworkers that I know have done their stars. You can also do a three-dimensional star if that's more of your choosing. This customer wanted a Americana dremeled, like a lightly dremeled out star, to give it a little bit more rugged look because it's a very clean flag. Yep. one thing that I would have done a lot differently mainly comes from the filming of this clip. There's a lot of the portions where I feel like I've covered up most of what I'm doing, and I really apologize for that, guys. That's just something with starting out with YouTube and trying to film things while I'm making them. It's a little bit new to me, and it's something that I can definitely learn, put in the toolbox, and move forward. But it was really fun making these because not every day does someone choose to go away from the CNC route or the CNC 3D Stars route. So brings me back to when you're doing everything by hand, and the portion of actually moving to CNC went pretty quick. Because I'm actually really still learning as a woodworker and still learning kind of what my style is, and for furniture and stuff like that it's a little bit different, but for flags I like a little bit more rustic burn. Um, but it all really depends on what your customer's wanting. So no matter how you feel about the project, I would always make sure that you're trying to stay in line with what the customer is providing to you as far as what they have ordered and what their wishes are. So I normally send project pics, when it first starts, and then when I'm going throughout the process. As you can see here, this is moving on into the chiseling portion of the first star. So you just want to make sure that you just lightly chisel everything out, and that you want to make sure that you hit all your lines. And that's why I did my outline first. That way I can get all of the painted portions out and get a nice crisp star. So then I'm going to go into, I used a medium kind of ball bit on my Dremel Micro, and I really like the Dremel Micro because it allows me to move about freely because it's battery powered, and most Dremels don't have that. Once again, guys, I apologize for the for the arm in some of the shots. I think I kind of realized that like halfway through, and decided to move. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I've only been doing this for a couple months. I've went from 3 subscribers to I think I'm at 65 right now, so I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel and is with us kind of from day one. And I'm really excited about moving forward and showing you guys some really cool projects that I think will be something that you guys can build on. And nothing's better than doing a project yourself, and when it turns out just right, that sense of gratification that really comes with it. But yeah, guys, make sure that you like this video. If you would share it on your social media, I would really love that. Any exposure that I can get that would give me more feedback, I would really appreciate. I'm really enjoying making this community, and hearing all the feedback that you guys got on my videos. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and I look forward to bringing you guys more content. I'm going to drop a couple links to other videos in, and I will also have everything in the description for the items that I used in this video. So go check them out, give them a purchase. I'm not sponsored or endorsed by anybody. I just really, the items that I mention are items that I use on a daily basis, or use with certain projects, and it's something that I really enjoy using. So thanks, guys.